So I decided to do my kitchen countertop to a different color. And today I'm going to use a brand from Walmart, which is called the Chocolate Brown Kit. And it comes with everything in it. This is everything that it comes with it. The primer, the top coat, and the other 3 colors. It also comes with this little roller here. And also with this little brush and the little rollers. And it also comes with a sponge. I already have cut it out. So it's all ready. And I went to Lowe's and I went on and pressured my pan and I put foil around it so I can reuse it again. And I got some paper and also some tape. So I have already washed my cabinet down. So now I have finished my primer. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to wait for 8 hours and let it dry. And then tomorrow we're gonna put our colors in. I'll be back. So this is the next morning. I have all my colors ready. And I'm gonna start out with my brown color. And we'll see how it goes. Here we go. And I have already wet my sponges. And they tell you to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it. They said to dip it just a little bit. So I'm gonna dip it just a tab. Try to get some of this off of here. Because they said to dip it just a tab. And so I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna start somewhere. And they tell you just to do it random. Don't do it. You don't have to just do it. So I'm just randomly doing this with my color here. So it don't have to be a certain shape. Just dab it. So I'm just dabbing it. So I'm just dabbing it. I think I'm doing the right way. So I'm just going to do a little section here. Just going to dab it. Little section. Okay, now that is my, let me dab it a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna do it in a little section here. They said make sure you kind of get back there where the black is, so I'm trying to get back here where the black is. Okay. All right, very good. I think that's looking pretty good. Okay, so that's my brown. Now I'm going to do my gold here. Kind of dab it so it won't be so much. So now I'm gonna kind of dab my gold. I'm dabbing my gold. I'm trying to hold my phone and do this, so I'm just gonna do just a tab of it, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna finish it up, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the results of it. Okay, now that's my gold. Now I'm going to do my chocolate. Make sure I get some of it off. Here we go. I'm gonna put just a tab of chocolate. Just dab it. Dab the chocolate in there. think? Is it looking good? I hope so. I think it's looking pretty good. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop my tape here, and then after I finish it, I will get back to y'all and let y'all see the final results of this coloring here. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, I'll be back. So our canvas has dried for 4 hours. So now I'm about to put on my top coat. I got everything ready here. Okay, now it says to okay. Put it on. And it said to come back and do like so. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna kind of comb the edges. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the final results. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm ready to put my top coat on. This will be my final coat. And first of all, I got everything ready here. So I'm going to kind of start like so. Just kind of go zigzag. Like that. We're just going to do a little part at a time. And you have to kind of work fast with this. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of bring it off like they tell you on the tape. Just make one long stretch there. And I'm going to kind of finish this up right here. I already have done my corners. So now I'm just going to kind of smooth it out. Just have to work kind of fast. Okay, I'm just going to ease this out here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this out, and then 4 hours later, I'm gonna show everyone the final results of all of this. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now this is the results of my countertops, and I think that I did a pretty good job. And I want y'all to try this. I mean, it was so much fun. It was easy to do, and I recommend this product very much. So y'all give it a try and send me some pictures of it, and let me know how easy it was for you all too. And my next project, I want y'all to look out for it, is gonna be my backsplash. I'm gonna redo it also, and I think I'm gonna use the stick-on, but I'm gonna give it a try. But I'll get back with y'all with that, and just watch out for that. And it was so much fun. It was so much fun talking with y'all, and we went through the step by step with it, and I hope I did a good job. It was my first time trying to do this, but I did the best I could. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for just watching, and watch out for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.